Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Shopee tutorial for beginners video, the best place for Shopee seller tips and tricks. Do you know that you are doing things that are hurting your business? If you have been selling on Shopee, maybe you are too busy grow your Shopee business, you may overlook common e-commerce mistakes to avoid. Today, I'm going to break down 5 small things on your Shopee website that is ruining your business and how to remove them today. I personally accidentally committed mistake number 1 and number 3 that got my shop banned for 2 weeks. So if you are first time here, hi, I'm Vernette. I'm an e-commerce coach. I help corporate female who start in 9 to 5 to start e-commerce business and coach them to become the expert in the field. I release a weekly video in this channel to share tips and tricks of e-commerce business. So if you are interested to learn more about e-commerce, please subscribe and click the little bell to receive a weekly video from me. Also, to help you to start your year right, I have prepared a complimentary e-commerce business plan for you. In this 35 pages guide, I show you how you could start your e-commerce business in just 10 simple steps. Please make sure you grab this guide in the comment section's link before it is out of stock. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, spam listings. Spam listing include duplicate listing and price spam listing. Let me explain what is duplicate listing. Listings are considered duplicate if they features products that have no significant difference between them. Duplicate listings are strictly prohibited and will be deleted by Shopee. What is price spam? It is referred to any listing that extremely low or extremely high in prices, but with no intention to sell the item at the listed price. Mistake number 2, abuse Shopee logo and Shopee label. If you use Shopee logo and label with the intention to mislead shoppers that your shop is preferred or endorsed by Shopee, mislead shoppers that your shop or products are affiliated with Shopee, your account will be terminated. I have recorded this video in details to understand Shopee logo and label policy in much detail. The link is in the description below. Please check it out. Mistake number 3, setting mistake in brand sections. If you are selling an OEM dropship product without a brand name, you must select no brand. Never, never, never in your life select my brand because this option will lead to your shop to be banned. Mistake number 4, exchange contact information via Shopee seller chat. This includes providing merchant contact details to the buyer or asking buyer for contact details. Why? Because in the eye of Shopee, these are the possibility with the intention to direct transactions outside the Shopee platform, which is prohibited. Mistake number 5, product violations. This includes selling products that are prohibited by the country, by Shopee, or selling something without relevant license. You can check if you have committed listing violations, and I'm going to show you. Let's go. So you come to Shopee Seller Center and click on My Products. You can see whether you have any product violations here. So these are the 5 small things of your Shopee store that hurting your business. If you accidentally committed any one of them, please remove them today. See you next week.